It's very easy to record your iPad screen. First of all, you need to go to Settings. On Settings, Control Center. Be sure that you have here screen recording. Once you've done that, you just sweep from the top to the bottom. Here you have recording. I am recording at the moment, but if you just press firmly, you will see the microphone is on. If this is not happening, you just tap to put your microphone on, otherwise your records won't be with sound. Okay, so coming here, press once, it will count to 3, and then we will start recording. You can see now, like, we'll go here. This iPad is quite slow because it's old, but it can do perfectly whatever I want. It's very easy to do that. Next step, if you want to stop, you just press here and it stopped. So that's all for today. Bye guys!